Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet a flower hair clip using red yarn to match the festive spirit of Chinese New Year. Of course, you can always customize it with any color you like. This simple and elegant project is perfect for adding a special touch to your celebration look. Here are the tools you need for this video. 4-ply cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a needle for sewing. If you choose your favorite colors, you can use 2 different colors for the petals and the center part to make the flower more vibrant and unique. Let's start crocheting from the center part of the flower. First, make a knot in a magic ring. Then, do 1/2 double crochet followed by 1 chain. Repeat this sequence 8 times all around the ring. Once you're done, pull the ring tight to close the center. Make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Let's move on to the petals. Pick another color for the petals. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook to join the new color. Then, make 1 chain with the light yellow yarn, or any color you like. Hold both yarn ends tightly to secure the joint. First, we're going to make a 6/2 double crochet puff stitch in the last chain of the center. Pull the yarn a bit long, insert your hook into that last chain. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull through 2 loops. Keep repeating this step until you have 13 loops on your hook. Chain 1 to close the puff stitch. Now you have a puffy stitch. Next, we'll chain 3. Slip stitch into the back bump of the chain. Repeat this sequence 3 times. This will give the petal a lovely texture for your crochet flower. Now that you've completed the first petal, repeat the same pattern 7 more times to finish the flower. Here's a quick recap. Make a 6/2 double crochet puff stitch in the chain. Then, chain 3. Slip stitch into the back bump of the chain. Repeat this sequence 3 times to complete 1 petal. Once you finish all the petals, your crochet flower will look like this. Cut the yarn, then fasten off with the needle. Hide the leftover yarn. And that's it! Your cute crochet flower is ready. You can use it anywhere you like. Turn it into a keychain, a fun hair clip, or even a cute bookmark clip. It's super versatile. I hope you had fun making this with me. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy crocheting!